Today, we're diving into the Moen Halle Spot Resist Brushed Nickel Posi-Temp Tub and Shower Trim Kit. A perfect blend of style and functionality for your bathroom. This kit features a stunning spot-resist nickel finish that effortlessly resists fingerprints and water spots, ensuring your bath always looks pristine. The Posi-Temp valve is a game-changer, maintaining consistent water temperature for a comfortable shower experience every time. Designed to coordinate seamlessly with other accessories in the Halle Collection, it brings a cohesive and elegant look to your bathroom. The 7.2-inch diameter spray head Rainshower offers full coverage, enveloping you in a luxurious cascade of water. Plus, it's ADA compliant, meeting the specifications of the Americans with Disabilities Act for added peace of mind. And to top it all off, Moen backs this exceptional product with a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring long-lasting satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.